Google just killed every document scanner app on your phone. Drive's new native scanner takes multi-page snapshots in real time, auto-detects edges, and runs in continuous mode. This is not a beta. It's live. And it got over 1 million views in hours. But here's what nobody is talking about. Every scan goes straight to Google's cloud. Your tax returns, medical documents, contracts, all on their servers. There's a better way to think about your tools. Conductor OSS is a fully local AI agent orchestrator that runs on your machine, with your data, supporting all major coding agents. More on that after the breakdown. Here's what Google actually shipped. A native document scanner built right into Google Drive on mobile. No app to install. No third-party permission to grant. You open Drive, tap the scan button, and point your camera at a document. The scanner detects page edges automatically with blue and green boundary boxes. A green checkmark appears when it locks on. Then it captures the page, straightens it, crops the background, and adds it to a thumbnail carousel at the bottom. You flip to the next page, and it does it again. Continuous mode means you never tap the shutter. Just keep flipping pages. The demo video from user Nicasio on X shows this in real time. He scans 11 pages of a math textbook in about 20 seconds. No blur. No retakes. Duplicate detection kicks in automatically if you accidentally scan the same page twice. This got 15,000 likes and 1.7 million views because people immediately saw it. This is the scanner they always wanted, built into the app they already use. Let's watch the actual demo. This is the real footage from the original post. Watch how the scanner detects 2 pages at once with those glowing boundary boxes. The green check marks appear instantly when it locks on. Each page gets added to the thumbnail strip at the bottom. By the end of this short clip, the user has scanned over 10 pages without pressing the shutter once. The autocrop removes the background, the user's hand, even the floor underneath. What you get are clean, straight, readable document pages saved directly to Google Drive as a multi-page PDF. This is the kind of experience that makes third-party apps feel ancient. So why does this matter beyond a cool feature drop? Because it kills an entire app category overnight. Cam Scanner has over 100 million downloads. Adobe Scan, Microsoft Lens, Tiny Scanner, they all built businesses on something Google just gave away for free inside an app you already have installed. But there's a catch, and it's a big one. Every single page you scan goes to Google's cloud. Tax returns with your social security number. Medical records with your diagnosis. Contracts with your signature and financial details. Landlord documents with your address and rent history. Google now has all of that. And their terms of service give them broad rights to process it for their AI models. You're not the customer. You're the data source. For developers, this is a familiar pattern. Platform consolidation. Google did it with Maps, killing standalone GPS apps. They did it with browsers, making Internet Explorer irrelevant. They did it with email clients when Gmail got good enough. Now they're doing it with document scanning. If your product is a thin layer over platform capabilities, you're one update away from irrelevance. This brings up a bigger question for developers and power users. Where is your data actually safe? When Google builds a feature into Drive, you get convenience, but you lose control. When you use cloud coding tools, the same thing happens. Your code, your prompts, your debugging sessions, all sitting on someone else's servers. The alternative is local-first software. Tools that run on your machine, process your data locally, and let you decide what gets sent anywhere. This is exactly what Conductor OSS is built for. It's a fully local AI agent orchestrator. Your machines run the agents. Your file system stores the code. Your data never leaves unless you explicitly send it somewhere. And it works with all the major coding agents. Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Cursor CLI, AMP, OpenCode, Droid, QuenCode, GitHub Copilot, and more. You write tasks in a Markdown Kanban board, and agents spawn to handle them. PRs open automatically. Boards update in real time. The Rust backend starts in under a second. Here's how Conductor works in practice. You open your dashboard at conductoros.com. You pair one machine, your laptop, your desktop, your server, whatever you want. Then you write tasks in a Markdown file called conductor.md. Each task has a tag and a status. You move a card to ready to dispatch, and Conductor spawns a coding agent to handle it. The agent works in an isolated Git work tree so parallel tasks don't step on each other. When the agent finishes, You get a diff review right in the dashboard. Approve it, and it opens a PR. All of this runs locally on your paired machine. Nothing goes to our servers for processing. The relay just coordinates the dashboard connection. 10 built-in agents are ready to go. Claude Code for deep reasoning tasks. Codex for fast implementation. Gemini for multimodal work. Cursor CLI, AMP, OpenCode, Droid, QuenCode, CC Router, and GitHub Copilot. You pick the right agent for each task. Some tasks need Claude's careful analysis. Others just need Codex to ship fast. Conductor lets you mix and match without switching tools. Start the repo at github.com/tyrannic06/conductor-oss. That's the breakdown. Google's new scanner is impressive technology. Real-time multi-page capture with auto-detection and continuous mode is a genuinely great user experience. But every scan lives on Google's cloud, processed by their AI under their terms. If you want your tools to work differently, fully local, fully yours, check out Conductor OSS at conductoros.com. It works with all major coding agents, runs on your machine, and keeps your data where it belongs. Start the repo. Link is in the description. See you next time.